Welcome back. We are now going to look at the video sharing app YouTube. And then we will search and select YouTube in Zapier. And you're going to see a number of applications, but we're first going to scroll down to the bottom. And we're going to note that YouTube has both triggers and actions. Once again, triggers means that something happens in YouTube. We can then automate a process in another application. Actions means that we can start a process in another application and then have that action happen in YouTube. And either of those methods will be of interest to us. For example, we can post a YouTube video matching a specific search string to WordPress, which means that we can be specific about the videos that we're going to be posting to our site. So we're going to start this process by clicking Use this Zap. So Zapier tells us what we can do with this app, and basically what we're doing is we're sharing videos according to search string to our WordPress site. And we're going to start the process by creating this Zap. So the trigger is going to be someone uploads a video with a specific search string. We're then going to click Continue. We're going to then connect a specific YouTube account. We're going to then allow Zapier to manage this account. We're then going to click Test Account. Once we've verified that it's worked, we're going to click Save and Continue. We're then going to write in a search string and then click Continue. Zapier will then look for an existing video. We'll click Fetch and Continue. And our test is now successful. We'll then click Continue. We'll now create a sample post in WordPress. We'll need to specifically connect to a WordPress blog. We're then asked to write in the site we're going to be using, the username, and then the password. Once we've done that, we're then going to click Continue. Once the site is connected, we'll click Test. We'll verify that the test has been completed. We'll then click Save and Continue. We'll then determine how we want the post to be set up. So in other words, what we can do with this particular Zap is we can determine how we're going to have the post sent. We'll have the posts sent over as drafts so we can approve them. So once we verify that there is a post title, that there's going to be a YouTube video going into the post, we're then going to click Continue. We're now going to click Send Test to WordPress. And once we've done that, we'll then click Finish. And now our Zap is officially turned on, so that every time there is a YouTube video posted with the search string that we designated, it will then be posted to our WordPress site. And now if we check inside of our WordPress site, we'll see there's our post with the title that we anticipated. And so our Zap is working. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.